Okay, so Zoltan Ivan, wants to be the Transhumanist Party president. He's running for the president of the Transhuman Party, and he's got a really cool Bill of Rights to live for eternity, which science and technology can do. The real living eternity, not any of the religions dying and going to heaven, because that's the fake reality. Because there's like, if you think it's only Christianity and Islam for dying and go to heaven, there's a hell of a lot more religions that do die and go to heaven. And if that exists, why even read the book? Just live your life, and well, if you die and you're going to, everybody goes to heaven. Just live like your life like that, or live your life with the realness, where science and technology is going to bring eternal life. So people are not catching on to this yet because the technology and science just not there yet. But once it's there, people will catch on. People don't believe in it now. They think you need the holy books for the heaven, and which is not. You don't. So there's a lot. There's companies that are giving you eternal life, such as BioViva Lab, injecting stem cells in the body with Reanimate, increasing the telomeres length, which BioViva Lab does, which extends the life science, human resurrection. When you die, you upload your body to a brains to computer and go and live in another body. So several companies are working on this, and it's coming. And these companies and even more. They have a person, IBM, is going to make this one pill to cure any virus disease, any virus and disease. And you got anti-aging, technology coming. So this is all coming in the pipeline. We're in the early stages of gene modification with CRISPR, DNA uploading, DNA downloading. So all of this is coming in the pipeline. So stay tuned. I have to say the Transhumanist Bill of Rights Zoltan has is pretty cool. It says government should allow for you to do anything you want with your body if it doesn't hurt you. You should be able to live forever with science and technology. Some other Bill of Rights. So yeah, he's running for president for the Transhumanist Party. So he wants to make this a reality. And when this takes place, people won't be believers, the people will be humanists, because we'll be so advanced, we could, it's coming, living forever, modifying the whole brain, uploading your body to computers, your brain, reprogram the brain, analyzing the brain, making the brain better, living younger, making everything younger, the brain younger, increasing the brain, making it smarter with nootropics. Ray Kurzweil takes 65 pills a day for all kinds of things, and makes him look younger and healthier. So we're in the early stages of this, it's coming, and we're gonna perfect it, and then we can just live forever, because we'll have basically nanotechnology to monitor our whole body. So it'll be like a computer in there, which is stop any virus or disease. You could never get sick. You could never age, because this technology is controlling your body to stop aging, to stop viruses and diseases from getting in. So this is going to lead to immortality and living eternally. So yes, we could be smarter and live forever and never get sick. like I said, these companies that I mentioned are working on this technology, and even more companies, the IBM too. So it's getting there. We're getting to that, and when that comes in, people won't believe in religion because we we conquered everything that religion provided. Eternal life, we got it with science and technology. Um, Living forever, never aging. So, and this is coming. And then when that hits, people will probably just be humanist, because we'll become the gods, really. We can do anything we want with the body. We can solve anything. We can never get sick, never age, never lose memory. We can be like kind of perfect in a way, and we have the technology, science to make us the way perfection or whatever we want, So, and then people will be humanists. People say, morality will be solved. Because people won't need religion for morality. They'll say, well, we are like the gods. There's no gods coming down, and then we have to determine the situation for bad things to cause the least harm. Be humanist, and to care for each other, and to care for the world and protect the planet. We're getting information. So now we're getting secrets for the Jupiter, and now we're going to get information for the sun. We want to know how the sun works. Even the sun has a gravitational field. So, and believe it or not, if we know how the sun works, we can build Dyson spheres. So yeah, we try to conquer everything. We are trying to do what religion has provided in the past, that science and technology now provides. We're surpassing it. We are becoming the gods. We're going to find the origin of life. Well, we actually kind of really did already with Luca, and we're going to, we found the origin of life, the origin of the solar system, the multiverse, how the universe has come out of nothing. Science and technology has conquered everything that religion has provided. There was no who. We solved everything by science and technology. Even previous aliens running super simulations, computers, which is fabric of the code. Never a god. Everything is natural, not a supernatural. It's just highly advanced beings, that can create whole universes. That has an RNA, DNA factory. So we got the answers now. I got the answers. I know how everything started. I know why everything exists. And if you're reading, we got the answers right now. Now it's just technologies to live eternally, and get that super technology, which the aliens did, universes coming out of nothing and create multiverses and running super simulations to create multiple billions of universes. We need that kind of technology. Imagine if we had that technology. We could fight any terrorist. We could build super weapons and super healing, super armor, super resistance, and who knows what with that kind of super technology. So yeah, so we're flying to the closest near the sun after this Jupiter, and then actually that. So scientists have a whole plate full. Then we're gonna, how we found the comets had water. Well, asteroids have water too. So we're gonna, I think, land a probe on the asteroid. So we got everything packed down. Luca, origin of life. The 4 billion microbe, were how that started, the branching, because we are animals, believe it or not. We are primate animals, and that thing evolved into different until we got to us, the primate. The half man, because we have gills. We are animals. Really, there's no first human, because everything is connected. The whole DNA. You know, we're like primates and ape to man. You know, it's not like ape. It's we're like related. You know, second chromosome and which is fused, and we have 24. We have a majority of DNA with chimpanzees, so it was like not a human or ape. It was like an interbred, you know, and then that's how, you know. So think about 1 billion years, right? That fish, everything just, you know, must have had major interbreeding, and then eventually led to us, and 1 million years, abogenesis, 1 billion years, evolution, 1 million years, and here we are. All from that microbe, 4 billion microbe, Luca, the last universal common ancestor that gave rise to us. Long process. Yeah, so no first human. It was just the first species that branched different species, bacteria and archaea. Everything, plants, animals, all from Luca. So there's your origin of life. And then find the secrets of the first planet, Jupiter. All the secrets. And life is common, all spread. And if we ever find life, it must be really far away. And if not, maybe they were extinct. They didn't live, you know, they had their time. We have our time and they had their time. And so it's very interesting. So all that leaves now is to solve how to live eternally. We solved everything. We solved the universe from nothing. We know how multiverses. We know there was previous aliens. We know how the solar system formed. Universe out of nothing. How universes came from nothing. All this with no God. Just super advanced alien species that exist now or existed in the past. We solved everything. I think this video is the last video I could make. Well, I guess I'll make up more updates. So yeah. The transhumanism, result 10. Very cool. And people should just get on that and sign that and, you know, be humanist. And to live forever. And so vote for Zoltan Esteban. Peace out.